Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, then I'm Alana, and usually I would have my sister Gemma on here with me, but she's actually on school camp in Portland at the moment, so it's just me today. Hopefully that's alright. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys two different beauty hacks, DIYs, something, I don't know what you want to call them. They're like pampering things. They are really good for gifts, if you want to give them as a really cute homemade gift, or you want to just pamper yourself. So the first one will be a lip scrub, a sugar lip scrub, and the other one is a bath bomb slash mousse slash thing that fizzes off in your bath. I really like these. I've done these before many times because I personally cannot afford to buy them from like Lush or buy them off anything really. So they're really cool if you just want to make them for yourself. I reckon just have a go as well. So yeah, let's get into it, I guess. Let's never do that again either. Okay guys, first I started off by cutting one strawberry as fine as I could so that later on it would be easier to mush up in the jar. I added this to just a glass jar because it was lying around the house and it was pretty easy just to put it all in there. Next, I just mushed up the strawberries as much as I could for now and then left it. I then added a few drops of olive oil to the mixture. Olive oil is going to help moisturize your lips, and it's also a good ingredient to be able to mix everything together. Now I'm adding honey to the mixture, as this also is going to moisturize, and honey is just great for everything. It's moisturizing, it has lots of vitamins in it, it's just like really great. You should have it all the time. I started off by adding 2 tablespoons of sugar just to see how that went, because the sugar will probably dissolve because of the liquids I have in there. Then added a few drops of lemon, and then I mixed it all up as much as I could, crushing the strawberries inside of the jar. As you can see, it kind of went liquidy, so I added some more sugar. Try to get more of that like scrub that you get when you like buy a product like this. Then I added a few drops of just strawberry essence because I liked the smell of that. You can add any essential oils if you want, and you also don't have to put strawberries in if you don't want. I kept adding sugar, so it was becoming more of a scrub than just, you know, a soup inside of the jar. And there you go. That's basically it. That's all I did. I then sat it there overnight, and then I could use it in the morning. You can use it straight away if you want. Now onto the strawberry bath bomb. As you can see, the struggle was real. I couldn't get the bicarb soda lid thing open, but then eventually I took some time and I did get it open. Over the course of the video, I add heaps of bicarb soda, and I think it was around 6 tablespoons all up, but I will put the actual recipe down below. I then added a few teaspoons of citric acid. Mixed together, those two is going to cause the reaction that a bath bomb usually has. Once again, just adding some more of each. I then just got a spoon and mix those two together. I added a few drops of strawberry essence. You can add any type of oil essence you want, doesn't matter. I then added 1 teaspoon of water just to help combine the mixture. I added a few drops of red food colouring to give it that colour. Obviously you can use whatever colour you want, and if you want to do 2 colours you can. Obviously making 2 different mixes and mushing them together in the mould. I mixed this up until all of the powder was covered in red or had gone red. Once again adding some more bicarb soda, because as you can tell in the intro I said a mousse slash bath bomb. Whenever I make this, it always comes out in 2 different ways. It'll either come out as like a mousse form, so you just pop it in the bath. It still works the same, it's just not like a solid thing. Or it works as a bath bomb and I let it go hard. I had then added a few drops of olive oil because that's really good for your skin and is very moisturizing, and mixed all of that up. So yeah, like I was saying, if you want to use it as a mousse, you could just pop it in the bath. It will still fizz up and it will still work the same way. It just won't be as solid when you first put it in, obviously. But if you want it to be like a bath bomb, just let it sit overnight. I then put it into a mold. You can use anything around your house if you want. It doesn't matter. I just used a black and gold container that was lying around the house. And I just tried to make the top of it really flat. There you go, that's what it sort of looks like, me awkwardly trying to get it on camera. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's video and it gave you some ideas for some gifts, or if you just want to try out some beauty pampering ideas, anything like that. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel, and also comment down below if you've tried it out or you want to try it, or you want to see us do other videos like this. So yeah, just don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See ya. Yeah, just see ya. Bye.